Hello guys, welcome back to Amoke vlog. So today we are at Castle Forest, ready to hike and explore. Castle Forest is in Kirinyaga County, that's in Kenya, at the foots of Mount Kenya. There are a number of activities that you can come and do at Castle Forest. Some of them are camping, hiking, horse riding, and so many others. Remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning once again. Tusalimiane ni kama tunataka kuhike. Twende. I ran, I look back, I see nobody. I ran again, I look back, I see nobody.
Amoke vlog, subscribe,
So guys, are you ready to hike? Huh?
Oh, yeah, we are ready.
Look at this hike. A hike like no other hike. Okay? Look at how happy this crew is.
Yeah, very happy.
What kind of and if we manage long or not, so we'll manage this. This is a forest hike.
Yes, we did long or not.
Yes. And did you go down the forest?
Yeah, finished.
Wow.
But for Longonot was tough and dusty.
Longonot was.
You need to do
was crazy. Subscribe to Amoke vlog. He is the best. He has been trekking with us since 2008.
Yes.
What? Yes. How far do we hear of this?
1 decade. Huh?
A decade. It has been a decade. So please subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that button. We need 1 million.
Our 10th year anniversary.
We will keep quiet.
Alikuwa mgongo. Nitakulewa maji. Ati?
Stay tuned. Don't touch the dial. Don't touch that.
Jesus is Lord! What?
Hatuko sawa. Sasa. Sawa. Mami, ile sasa.
Sasa wewe unanishikilia.
Shika kamba. Hiyo
Wewe. Unakimbia ni waterfall.
Unakimbia hadi waterfall.
What?
After several minutes of photo shoot, sightseeing and swimming at the waterfall, it's now time for us to cover another 6 kilometers and head back to the gate so that we can take our lunch, relax, then head back home.
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalem.
Hey guys, my name is Yvonne Joki. Oh my god, I don't know where to start. Like, this place is like so amazing. The view, the hike, the experience, the fun. As in, if you've never tried this, you're really missing out on a lot. And I would advise you to come here, enjoy the experience.
Hi, my name is Candice Irimo.
I'm Sylvia Cheng.
My day has been awesome. I had a lot of fun. We ran actually. We thought we saw an elephant, but wow, but the day was fun. The trekking was nice. The hiking was nice. Everything was perfect as expected.
Yeah, I had a great day. At first, I was like a forest hike. I didn't expect like a forest hike to be this interesting, but I would recommend, like, I would come back for a forest hike because, one, you get to, have time with yourself, have a meeting with yourself as you walk, as you do the trek. So for me, it was such a good experience.
Yeah, it's my first time here, and I think this is the best place to be.
Did you manage to finish the hike?
Yes, I did. I also had a chance to go some swimming at the waterfall. Yeah, I had to because it's more of a lifetime opportunity.
Hi guys, I just want to say that I'm excited and happy about today. We are at Mount Kenya Castle. It's been amazing. We have gone till where there's a waterfall. It was freezing cold, but we had fun. My name is Mary again, like I've said. I work with TK Adventure or Tembea Kenya, so you can book with us. And also thank you so much for always tuning to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and we'll be happy to see you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Always remember to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.